y'all, it's Erin and this is my friend Katie. We're with Twirling on Main Street. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Go ahead and subscribe. Oh, we're good. And if you're not new, then welcome back. Today we are at the Cocoa Beach Air Show in Cocoa Beach, Florida. And I just wanted to show y'all around. So this is the main area. The viewing area is on the beach, but there is some really cool wood carving things. They do have umbrellas, beach chairs, and sunscreen for sale as well if you forgot your own. There's lots of porta potties out here. Booths for sponsors. A booth for the city of Cocoa Beach. There's a stand with hot dogs and cold drinks. Oh, there's also regular bathrooms back here. We just use the porta potties. Oops. Now we know. All right, looks like a booth for Key West. That's pretty cool. The Air Force Special Ops and Christian Air Transportation Services. Interesting. So this is all the stuff that is in the park area of the air show. There's a lot more down by the beach. They're playing music really loud and I don't want to get copyrighted, so some stuff I might just have to put music over it, but we'll see how that goes. All right, so when you come down to the beach, this is the general admission seating, and there are lots of booths out here too with food and drinks and beer and such. Lots of people have made it a beach day for this morning. It is about 10 o'clock and the show starts at about 11:30, I think. This is the setup. This is chalets, I think, which were more expensive, but it's tents and everything. And then this is just the general admission. It's called Drop Zone. You bring your own chairs and umbrellas. And of course right now the ever-present Disney cruise ships out there. There's a Coast Guard boat out there now. I'm pretty sure he's making sure the people that are watching by boat are staying in their designated zones. You can also choose to watch the show by boat if you have one or if you want to rent one. Nick and I were just talking that this is about the most normal thing we've done since last March. You can wear masks if you want, but they're not required, but also nobody's within 6 feet of us, and Nick and I are both vaccinated. I mean, it feels pretty safe, but it's just kind of weird because it feels almost normal. We also tried this trick. I saw it on Pinterest where you put a queen fitted sheet or a king fitted sheet on the sand and then kind of prop it up with your coolers and bags and stuff. It kind of worked. It gives us a non-sandy area in front of us and it's not going to blow away, so I guess it worked. All right, we're about 15 minutes from the start. From here on out, since there's a lot of noise and a lot of copyrighted music, I'm probably just gonna put in text what the airplanes are and stuff, and just put non-copyrighted music over it. So I hope y'all enjoy the show.
To a few of the people who make this possible for us to do. And it is amazing to have.
Wonder how much they paid them to appear. So they did just announce that the Thunderbirds, who are the headliner for all of this, are performing a brand new show, and this is the world premiere of that. And that's the first time that's happened in 38 years, I think you said. So that's really awesome that we're going to be the first people to see that. just got everybody out of the water because apparently there is a shark out there. show was really cool. That was my first time seeing the Thunderbirds, so I was really glad that they were able to perform. It did get a little windy there for a little bit, and we were worried that cloud cover and rain might affect them performing, but it went away and they were able to perform. This show is happening in a bunch of different cities. I know it's going to Atlanta and somewhere up in Maryland. It's coming to, what did I say? It's coming to Orlando in October, so we might go see it then too. So if y'all want to check it out, I will link the website for it down below. Thank y'all so much for watching. Wear your mask, wash your hands, be safe, and we'll see you later.